Good morning, or should I say it's a midday, so it's not morning. I'm on my way, it's Saturday, and I'm on my way to meet a friend on a coffee place. So I will take one scooter and I will go over there. And it will be cozy, the weather is nice, thank God for that. So how nice with all the palm trees. Amazing, amazing. And I made some food shopping, but you know, I don't like making food, so I don't buy so much food actually. It was nothing fun I bought there. So normally my husband makes all the food because he's an amazing chef. He makes actually good food, so I tell him to make the food for me. So that's actually nice. And I like to make, like, if I make food, then I make like the Swedish type of food that is possible to make here, of course. And when I have the chance, I run to IKEA and I buy the meatballs and the sauce and like these special things that we can find there. So yeah, I should go to IKEA soon again. It's amazing, amazing. You feel a little bit like home, especially when they have that small market. Also, like you can go and buy some, like the meatballs. You can buy some cake. You can buy some. What else? There's some that special ketchup we have, and a lot of different things. Like I wish they had the Marabou. It's my favorite chocolate, so of course that is what I want to eat. But just to get some taste from Sweden, that is amazing. So we'll see when I will be able to go there. I'll show you the things that I bought, and it's not fun, so we will see if you will. Just normal shopping by me. It's like sometimes you can believe that I'm eating like a child, for sure. Just this one. It's a small packages of these snacks, like these 3 different tastes. It is one cheese and one, oh, I forgot the name. So you can see this one. It's peanut, man. Yeah, I think. Yeah, peanut maybe. And then there's one like almost barbecue, but like beef and onion taste. It's very nice and cute and nice with the small packages because it's only me eating it. Then I bought noodles, and my husband hates when I buy it because he don't understand why. But I said also in Sweden we eat very much noodles, and that's for sure, it's true. But we have much more nicer noodles in Sweden, and I really miss them because the flavors becoming so much stronger. I think they are too soft here. And next child thing that I bought, it was these chocolates. They're nice. Just some snacks. I love snacks, so snacks queen. And one more thing. I bought 3 of them. It's a garbage Turkish garbage bag. Yes, garbage bag to put all the garbage in. And I like these ones because firstly they have a smell on, and as well they have these, how to show you, like you can close it like that. It's very easy. So I bought many of them, so I have it home. I like saving it all. So much easier also if you have it, because every time when you're gonna change the garbage and it's like the last one, then you always forget to buy a new one. So then I buy many at the same time. And a toothpaste. normal, everyone needs. And I bought some pasta as well, macarons. I like it, especially with the next thing I will show you that I bought. It is chicken sausage. We found it actually, it was, how many years was it? Like 3 years ago, we found it on a Christmas market in Alanya. When I was there with my friends. And they're also Swedish, so we were like looking around and you saw sausage in the bread like we eat in Sweden. And we said, oh my god, it was so nice. So then we found it actually on the normal shops. And they are actually nice, very nice. So I got them to have it easy at home. Because when I like, it's so often I don't want to eat something. And then I'm just walking around at home and I'm checking like, what can I eat, Then this one is easy. You make some macarons and some pasta. And some sausage. So that was my little haul of the small shopping I did. Now I will soon start the television and watch the skis. So that's nice. Good morning. Oh, it's a little bit sideways. Good morning. It's not morning. It's actually 12:30 in the day. So it's basically not morning. I'm on my way to meet my friend, and it's Sunday, so yes, I'm off. So nice. And we will go and eat something and probably hopefully find a good place to sit and just to enjoy the sun. It's a little bit windy, that cold wind, but it's okay. It's okay. So we will see. We will check out the small town, and everything basically closed. You can see here also, like there is no one rather than me out. But it should be much people at city actually. Like on Sundays, now it's school break by the way, so should be some people out if everyone didn't leave the town. So many leaving the town also when it's school break. They go home to their own villages, seeing their families and everything. So we will see what we will have today and what we will do today. We are not quite sure. We always like to take some walks around in the area. I just saw something very fun. I couldn't film it because it will be so obvious, but like you can really see the difference on a tourist and a person who is living here. Like there was one man, he was literally walking with shorts and sandals. It's not that warm. I'm walking here with this and this jacket and it has like this. Like, no, make no sense. I can't understand it. So it's really interesting actually. And the same thing, like you can see some people are swimming at this time of the year also, but would never happen with anyone who's living here. I don't understand. I don't know. Interesting. Amazing pizza. So good. Right? It's cold, as you can see. Oh, good morning, by the way. It's a new week. Monday morning. I'm on my way home, and it's a storm. As you can see, look here, they did some work also. But the palm trees are flying and the sky is dark. Let's go home. Like, I will fly away soon also. But I covered up everything because it gets so cold for your ears and everything. And gloves. I have an umbrella, but if I open it, yeah, I will fly, I guess. Let's see. Wish me good luck, yeah. The storm makes me a little bit nervous. You know, here it's actually quite easy that the electricity is stopping. So I hope, like now I will go home and charge everything. And hopefully we will not lose the electricity today, but you never know. Like last time it was storm, we lost it for 4.5 hours. Of course it's not much, but you know, it happens quite sometimes on and off. So we will see what brings today. That's why it's good to have some candles. We will see if I survive. Okay, see you soon.